This video, this is a Siriphong road. You got these really cool temples here. You have live music that was playing over here last night. You have a beautiful temple over there, the sun. You have Thanan Bamrong Boing. You want to look up at the other crossroad. And what we're gonna do is walk down this road. And in this area, we've been seeing quite a few temples and figurines and things like that. Let's go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. And figurines and things like that. And bells. And artisans, basically. People are doing artwork and creating for Buddhism. It's kind of cool, that little pink building in the middle of all that. Yellow and pink, kind of contrasting. There's the king, well respected in Thailand. Deservedly so, because it's a beautiful kingdom. Oh, this is actually a towel. Oh, okay. Huh. Sort of alley with. You find walking stuff. Looks like a bookstore. Thanks. It's a funny place to park a bike. Samranrat police station. We got more, a lot more in here. It looks like they cover them up at nighttime, I guess. Or this one is anyways. Looks like maybe it's been covered up for a while. The thing about Bangkok is like you could kind of go down any alley and find really cool stuff. It's funny, if I was in another city, I'd be worried about a motorcycle coming by and grabbing my camera and stealing it. But here I'm not thinking about that at all. I'm thinking about how to cross the street though. Okay. Flowered up the street. So okay, it's like we'd be coming up on a different part of the city. I noticed as I've walked across the city before, it changes in different places. And it looks like it's going to start changing as soon as we get to this intersection right here. This is called Maha Chai Road. Maha Chai. So I can see it. I don't know if you can see it in the camera or not, but I can read it. Yeah, it's going to change. As soon as we cross the street, I can feel like it's going to change into something a little bit different. Waterholic. Low wiring. Police station. Okay, let's see if we can get across this one. Kind of a busy intersection here. Let's see. 62 seconds. So I'm going to conclude this one. I was just over on that side of the street, and I just looked at the map, and this kind of separates like downtown-ish from what kind of spreads out into another part of Bangkok. So I think this is a good spot to conclude right at this corner. From here, I live in Macau, next to Hong Kong. We're just gonna film these busy streets right here. So now we're gonna go to Siam. Yeah. Siam. Siam. Sky Center.
Chiquinha, chiquinha,